Found a couple of details I wanted to take care of before I ship this out to you. So, wasn't perfectly happy. It's at this point it is as good as I can get it. I'm learning as I go, but I think you'll find this a thing of beauty. My daughter owns number 1. Another collector has number 2, and you have a chance to own number 3 here. And I think that the colors are not red and white or any other color. I just think that script, which is 100 years old or more, is a part of Americana, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. And I hope you enjoy as much as I do. To me, I just really enjoy this flowing older script, and it's just a thing of beauty to me. Just not taking any chances at this point. Hope you don't mind. I've got a lot of hours invested in this. I don't want to have to do it again. There it is. I think it's just a thing of beauty. I think it's an American icon. I really do. Hope you enjoy it.